Good day! My name is Ozin Dibilisin from BTB.FSM2. So for today, I'm going to illustrate how to create my science innovative project, which is the do-it-yourself aquarium aerator. The purpose of my project is to create oxygen without the use of electricity. My project is very easy to operate. Just put water here at the top bottle and let it go down to the bottom bottle, and the air pressure will build in here and let the air comes out here. And how to make a DIY aerator? Watch my video.
The materials needed are scissor, cutter, hose, glue stick, glue gun, and the water bottle. Prepare the plastic bottle, the hose, your glue gun and glue sticks, especially the cutter, and your scissors. Put a 2-dot mark at the first cup of a plastic bottle, then create a hole. And 1 dot for the 1 hole at the second bottle. At this part, I'm starting to create a hole on the cap of the plastic bottle. Make sure to be careful because it might hurt your feelings. This hose serves as the passageway of the water and the air. Here, I started to cut the hose into 2. As you can notice, the other hose is short and the other one is long. The short hose serves as the passageway of the water and the long one is the passageway of the air. Here, I'm starting to assemble my project. I started by putting the hose into the cup and put a glue on it. You can see that the hose and the cup is connected to each other. I put more glue to strengthen the durability of my project. Now I finish the connection of the 2 hoses and the 2 cups and fill the plastic bottle with water. The cup with 2 hoses is for the empty bottle and the other one is for the plastic bottle with water. And I created a box to have a neat presentation. Make sure that the empty bottle is at the bottom and the filled one is at the top.